Hi, I'm so happy to have you here. I'm Shamapti, and today I'll show you my skincare routine after I do a very high strength chemical peel. So I'll start with double cleansing. For that I have this cleansing milk from Bioderma. This is very gentle, very soothing, works really well for me, but this lip tint is very stubborn, doesn't come off. So after using this cleansing milk, then I'm gonna go in with second cleanser, which is this soothing cleanser from Purito. For this routine, you can see I'll be using all the soothing, calming skincare products. And now that my skin is ready for the chemical peel, I'm gonna be using this ordinary AHA BHA chemical peel. So make sure your skin is completely dry, because there are sometimes we use skincare on damp skin or semi-damp skin, but for this, make sure your skin is completely dry. And another thing, I used to put this serum directly on my skin, but now I just first put it on my fingers, then I apply this on my face. This way I think it space out more evenly. I keep this on for 10 minutes. I am doing 2 layers, but you can go in with just 1 layer, no issues. And I prefer using this at night, and for the daytime make sure you use sunscreen properly, because chemical peels can make your skin more photosensitive. Also, I won't recommend this for the beginners, and this is how my skin looks after the routine. And then I'm gonna be using this thermal water, because this is again very soothing thing. And then I'm doing this lotion masking technique. So I bought this 100 lotion mask pack, but after I'm done with this, I'm gonna buy that silicone patches, because that I can reuse. And this is actually helps to soothe and calm my skin, but you can skip this. This is not must have, but yeah, it works for my skin. This is actually J Beauty thing, and I only do this when I do chemical peel. And then I'm using this Aqua licorice serum, and this is the last bottle I have. Very good serum for all skin types. And the next step is Cica Bio from Bioderma. This is very good for skin barrier. Again, I don't use this every day. When my skin barrier needs support, I use this. And then I'm using Squalene, and this is a very good facial oil that can work all skin types. It also supports skin barrier. And also this is extremely lightweight, doesn't feel sticky or greasy. Love this. And the last step is this calendula ointment. I'm using this for my lips and for my hands. Again, very soothing and moisturizing. And that's all. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you very soon then. Bye bye, take care.